Look at that. What a view. Are you ready to join me as we walk in the Waterfront Park in Vancouver, Washington? All right, before we get started, make sure that you tap that little subscribe button, click the bell, and you'll be notified every time I put out a new tour video here on the Travel Wise Guy channel. All right, now before we get started, we're gonna walk on the Vancouver Waterfront, one of the newest, coolest places here in Vancouver, Washington, in Southwest Washington. Behind me is the bridge that takes you over the Columbia River into the state of Oregon, while we are on the Washington side. Now, if you watched other videos, this one is going to show you some of the new stuff that is here as it continues to grow. Now, if you look over here, you see the Renaissance Trail, the Columbia River Renaissance Trail. That continues past the bridge and it goes pretty far. It's a really enjoyable walk. Over here, you have the new AC Hotel. All right, let's get started. Look how beautiful the Columbia River is. All right, here we go, everybody. First, you have the new Hotel Indigo just open, and there are some condos next door in those blue buildings, some luxury condos, by the way. Let's get started on our walk. Let's go down by the water. By the way, over here on this dock, I don't know if you know, but there is a cruise ship that goes through the river. For those of you who want to cruise in the United States, you can actually take cruises on the Columbia River. We have a link in the description below for information on those cruises. Make sure that you go down there. If you're thinking of taking a cruise, you want to visit Seattle, Portland, Vancouver, all kinds of beautiful places along the river. And obviously you'd have to go out to the Pacific Ocean if you were thinking about going to Seattle. Here we go, everyone. Let the tour begin. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here. You've got people out jogging, exercising. It's a little chilly. Not too chilly for that person right there, is wearing shorts. Look at all of this new development. Look at the water. Beautiful, beautiful. So you've got new apartments, the new condos we just discussed. You've got these really nice viewing points. I want to commend the developer on the design of this. 2 areas you can walk. Even the trash cans look nice. You've got some great areas you can sit, kind of walk down if you want to. I'm not sure you could go to that beach there. Look at that, all these new buildings. If you know Vancouver from a different era, let me tell you, this place has drastically grown. The waterfront's a great addition. They place these benches, you can sit along the river. Here you have a little park people can enjoy. You've got bike racks. It's so gorgeous. Historical information. We'll pause here so you can take a look. Now there's another bridge over there. There's the viewing deck. I can't wait to get you over there. Some more apartments on this side. I have been up there. The views are spectacular. It's just a great day for this video. You got the Burger and Whiskey Bar. You have Crust Collective over there, brand new Italian restaurant. The Yard Milkshakes. Back there, by the way, at the hotel, you have Gaucho, which is a meat establishment. I believe it's Argentinian. Look what they did here. They placed this stuff so that you could sit and enjoy. The planning here, to me, is great. I love the way they did it. They made it amenable for people to sit, be comfy. You've got some historical information over here. Normally the water would be running, but it is winter, so you don't have the water running right now. Just want to show you the water overall. Let's go up here. I want to show you the restaurants. You've got What a Catch, which is also known, by the way, for having some frozen yogurt type of stuff. Or maybe some, they have fish, of course. You have Dos Alas, which is a higher end restaurant. Definitely a higher end restaurant, for sure. More places to sit and enjoy. Benches. I believe there's usually water running here. These are engraved. Vancouver, of course, the name, comes from the explorer, Vancouver. Look at that view. Wowzers. What a view. It's Dos Alas and Wildfin. 2 restaurants. You can see they have a viewing area up top up there. I really want you to soak this in. This is like a ship's mast where the sail would go, right? Look at that. They made this viewing deck here and it's so impressive. Additionally, they show you some information on the construction, which is very cool. Look at that view. Look at that. Stand out there and you can just see everything. Let's head out there and check out the view. I'm sorry. Let's take a peek at this view, everybody. So on this side you have another bridge. But look at this. There's Oregon across the river. Look at that. What a view. What a spectacular view. Over here you have Twig's Bistro, the Waterfront Tap House. Here's the river again. Let's walk to the other side, which is going to take you to another park. You have some commercial space in there too, by the way. Over there, some offices and such. You have additional wine tasting rooms. Those seem to be quite popular out here. Over here you have the Willamette Valley Vineyards, looks like a tasting room. You have Mary Hill Winery. Some benches where you can sit and enjoy. What a view from up there, huh? Oh look, construction. This has come a long, long way since our first video some time ago about the Vancouver waterfront. There are so many new buildings, new restaurants, new places to go. Let's do a quick capture of the trail itself. Look at that. That is where you are right now. By the way, if you're thinking of coming up to Vancouver or anywhere in the Northwest, if you're visiting Boise, Idaho, Vancouver, Washington, Seattle, Portland, Lake Oswego, anywhere in the Pacific Northwest, in Oregon, Idaho, or Washington, make sure you check out the link in the description from our friends and let them know the Travel Wise Guy sent you. You can request to see their specials and discounts for travel in this region. Once again, the place you can sit along the water. Another park, very cute. It's a great day for filming because it's a little bit chilly and it's a little bit early in the day, so there aren't a lot of people out. If you come here on a Friday night, it's pretty packed. There's a playground, interesting. It's got that unique surface. Another cool little area, probably fun in the summer for the beach type of scene right there. Maybe you can sit out, enjoy the beautiful view of the water. Really lovely what they did with the design here. Got a water fountain and what looks like something for the dogs. Dog lovers out there. Some more benches. Time for us to have a little adventure and go up to this viewing deck up here. Check that out. Now you can also go up this stairwell, but maybe we're not in the mood for a challenge today. So why don't we take the actual stairs? Wow, look at that. Here we go. Here we have another little park and a roundabout at the end of this area.